Good morning, students. How you are? I hope all are fine. Okay. So, in the previous class, we started your third chapter, English grammar. What is that? A note on tenses. Even you practice the tense table. Even you learn a single sentence how to make 12 different tenses. A single sentence how to change into 12 tenses. ಒಂದು ವಾಕ್ಯವನ್ನು 12 ಕಾಲಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಇನ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಿವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಯು ಲರ್ನ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಇವನ್ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೇನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್. ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇನ್ ಏನದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್, ಗಿವ್ ದೇರ್ ನೇಮ್ಸ್. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದೇರ್ ನೇಮ್. ದೆನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೇನ್ 6 sentences are there. Those 6 sentences write in 12 different tenses. 6 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳನ್ನ 12 ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಲಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಮಾಡಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಬರೀ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ದಟ್? ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಮೇನ್ in the exercise, what is that? Find out the tense of verb in each of the following sentences. Third main, what you have to find out? Tense. You have to find out the tense. Which tense that is? Look at the first example. A dog was crossing a stream. Yes, I am going to write the verb and helping verb. Okay, now ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. So first sentence is there. What? Was crossing. Was crossing means which tense it is? Any guess? Yes, which tense it is? Was crossing means where do you use was and where? Yes, of course. Was and where we use in past continuous. So the first sentence is in past continuous. Was and where plus V1 plus ing. Is it right? So it is a past continuous. It is in past continuous. Let's see. Had been waiting. Had been waiting. So look at where you use this like sentence, have been waiting. In which sentence? Sorry, in which tense we have to use this one? Had been waiting. Yes, of course. Past perfect continuous. What is it? Past perfect continuous. This it means had been waiting, past perfect continuous. Okay. Let's see. Third one. True. True. True means it is what? V1 or V2 or V3. What it is? True. Throw, through, thrown. Throw, through, thrown. It means true means what? Past tense. So that means what? It is a simple past. Simple past. Okay. We sit. Sit. What it is? V1 or V2? Sit it is, of course, it is a present tense. So it is in simple present. Simple present. Okay. Let's see fifth one. Have been quarreling. Have been quarreling. Have been quarreling. So think that which tense it is? Present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous. Okay, this like other examples mean total 12 examples are there. Already we solved in this class 5 examples. Remaining 7 examples we want to do. 5 examples already ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ತರ ಉಳಿದಂತ 5-7 ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. You have to solve the remaining examples at home. Okay. Now I am going to continue the chapter. Okay. Your fourth chapter is there. What is that? Simple present tense. What is that? Simple present tense. Does it understand? This you have to solve. Fourth lesson. Fourth lesson is there. What is that? Simple present tense. It means how to write and how to identify the simple present tense. The formula is there. It's easy to understand. Simple present tense. Of course, sir, how we identify? How can you say it is simple present? Maybe you ask me. Yes, the solution is there. It's very simple. You identify the simple present. So, a positive statement. The positive statement is there. What is that? We use simple present tense to express an action is done regularly. The action is done regularly. Regular means day by day it's a rotation. It's rotate. Regular action. Regular action, that is called present tense. Then it also expresses regular action. You have to write it. Regular action plus it also used to express always true. Always true. These two things are simple present tense express. First thing is regular action plus as well as always true. For example, the sun rises in the east. East or west? Yes. Sunset in the west. Sun rises in the east. Always true. Whenever you tell, however tell, whoever tell, sun rises in the east. Never change. It means true. Honesty is the best policy. It is also true. Honesty is the best policy. It is also true. Is it right? So that's it. Let's see example. So examples given. You go to school daily. Second one. The sun shines by day. See here, two sentences are given. Look that. We go to school daily. We go to school daily. So it means it is a regular work, regular action. Is it right? We go to school daily. Daily ಹೋಗ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, daily school ಬರ್ತೀರಾ. So it is what a regular action. It is what a regular action. Okay. So we go to bed at night. It is also regular action. We go to bed at 9 o'clock or 8 o'clock, whatever you like. That is also regular action. Is it right? So then, the sun shines by the day. Yes, full day the sun shines. It is true. Work is worship. That is also true. Work is worship. That is also true. Never change. Whoever tell, it never change. Is it right? So the sun shines by day. It is what a true action, true statement. True statement it is. Never change. Change ಆಗುತ್ತಾನ? Yes. ಸೂರ್ಯ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ತಾನೆ, ಹಗಲತ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಬೆಳಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಎಸ್ ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ ಯಾರು ಕೇಳ್ರಿ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎ ಟ್ರೂ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಈಸ್ ವರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೋರಿ. ವರ್ಕ್ ಈಸ್ ವರ್ಷಿಪ್, ಯಾರ ಕೇಳಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಈಸ್ ವರ್ಷಿಪ್ನ ಅಂತ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ accepted true. Honesty is the best policy, that is also true, is it right? So ಯಾವಾಗ ದಿನಾಲು ನಡೀತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಯಾವಾಗ ಸತ್ಯವಾಗಿರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, see here, plural subject. What are the plural subjects? Plural subjects. What are the plural and what are the singular? You have to know. First, I, we, you, he, she, it, they. In this, just you try to identify which is singular, which is plural. So, I is what? Singular. We, it means more than one is there, so it is a plural. You, it is also plural. He, she, it, singular. Then they, it is a plural. So now you tell me plural subjects are what? These are plural subjects. And one more is there. We, you, he and they. We, you and we, you, yes, they. We, I is there. I is also given. Just right. I, we, you and they. These are plural. Even we use V1. We use what? V1. We use what? V1. Now we use what? V1 and I use marking. For example, examples are given. I go for a walk. Walk every morning. Go it is what? V1. I go for work every morning. It means daily action. It is what? Daily action. Is it right? I go. Second example, what is that? We wear warm cloth. In winter season. Yes. In winter season, what type of cloth we wear? Warm. Warm cloth we have to use. Is it true? When you use the umbrella? Yes. In winter season, can you use the umbrella? No. When you use? Yes. In rainy season and summer season, you can use the umbrella. Not in the winter season. So, wear. It's true. V1 is there. So then, third one. Lazy students usually fail in the exam. Yes, of course. Anyone also tell? What type of students fail in the examinations? Who are lazy? Lazy ಇದ್ದವ್ರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೌದು, ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಓದಲಾರ್ದರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾರೆ? ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. It's true. Okay. Let's see fourth one. My friends often send me presents. My friends often sends me presents. ಅಂದ್ರೆ presentation. That means presentation. Let's see next. You waste your time in the idle talk. You waste that is a given. You waste your time in the idle talk. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಸೋಮಾರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೀನು ಟೈಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಳೀತೀಯಾ. So that like sixth example is there. They work hard only near the examination. They work hard when the exams are near. You have to put the hard work. You make hard work, no more action, because exams are near. Is it right? So all these are what plural subjects. All these are what plural subjects. Lazy students, it means we are they, whatever you have to write. Okay. My friends. My friends. Friends means that is also plural form. Okay. Then you, that is also plural form. Then they is also plural subjects. Is it understand? So that like you have to learn singular subjects. What are the singular subjects? Next one is what? Singular subjects. Singular subject. What are the singular subjects? Let's see. He, she, and it. See here, what's happened? In the plural form, only V1 is there. But here, what you have to have? Let's see. V1 plus yes or yes. Yes or yes. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೀ V1 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಗುಲರ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ V1 plus yes or yes. It means work and with yes or yes. Work and with what? Yes or yes. Yes ಮತ್ತು yes ಲಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ರೀಡ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರೀಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಕ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಟೀಚ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಹೌದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನಾಯ್ತು ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಸಿಂಗುಲರ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ವರ್ಬ್ ಎಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇ ಎಸ್ ಲಿಂದ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ಥ್ರೂ ದಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹೌ. First example look that. What is that? My friend often. My friend often comes to my home. My house is there. House. See that? Where is the verb? Come. So here, my friend it means singular. It means he. My friend, it means singular. It considered as a he. So he means here. This word end with what? This verb end with what? Yes. Come, comes. Okay. Second example. She writes. She writes a letter. So she, it is a singular. So write. What is the spelling of write? E. But what we had here? S. Writes. Okay. Third one. In summer, the sun rises before 6. Rises. The sun, it means singular. Sun, it is a singular. It means it. It rises before the 6. Okay. Let's see fourth example. Our school starts starts at 9 o'clock. See here, our school means it. It is also singular. So look at starts, and we got a yes. Fifth, Rita makes very good. So here Rita singular, so that's reason this word end with the s. Makes. The sun the sun is very hot. The sun is very hot. It gives us light. Gives. Gives. And with what? S. So here he, she, it, work plus SRES. In the plural subjects only, what is that? B1 is there. Okay. I hope you understand this one. So homework. What is your homework? First main is there, na? So complete the first main in the exercise. Okay. Complete the first main in the exercise. Homework. Complete the first main in exercise. Is it understand? Okay. See you in the next class.